Here we are once again. Another outstanding day to be in the woods. We're talking high of 85, low of 70, humid AF, 85 to 90% humidity, but you got scattered rain showers all day and all night. Like I said, an outstanding day to be in the woods with my boy. Today we're doing overnight on the water's edge. We're en route to a secret spot. On the way, we're gonna go ahead and look for materials, some sticks to prop up our tents, some trapping materials. Always good to find something for a bird's nest or tinder bundle. We're gonna get there, get set up, and then hopefully hit that lake and do some fishing. How you doing?
I'm all right.
Nice. Got it?
Yep.
Be careful. So there's that down tree we're looking at from across that creek over there. Made it across and it actually worked out for us. Major score. The inner bark is wet, but I can hang it on the back of my pack, dry it out, and I got a bird's nest. Very not bad. So far so good, we're both looking outstanding. We got materials for a bird's nest. He's got 2 poles for his 1 tiger's tent. I'll be sleeping in the good old snug pack ionosphere. And we're probably about a half mile out right now to our secret spot. Stay with us. All right, so here's the spot. In a previous video, I had my snug pack ionosphere right there, and we put the fire pit there. So here's what I'm thinking. We're secluded still. I want to go ahead and put the snug pack in the same spot, relocate that fire pit, boom, and drop that 1 Tigress Backwoods Bungalow 2.0 right there. What do you think?
Sweet.
Let's go ahead and pause for a minute. For those that are interested in gear, all my gear can be found in 2 places. 1, my Amazon influencer page, and 2, my Self-Reliance Outfitters influencer page. Both links can be found inside my description box. The higher you get it, the better it's going to be.
Yeah.
Let's pull that, good. Now I'm looking at this. The fire pit's going to go here, somewhere in here. And for that bungalow to swing upward, should we want to do that? I mean, it's going to dump rain here real soon, but that may be in the way of the fire. So now I'm thinking, put this under the tree, put the snug pack over there. I don't know. I'm my own worst critic.
That's much better.
Nice.
Let's go. We're burning daylight.
Now, if you're interested in a comprehensive review on either one of these tents, I have 2 videos. The first one's titled Solo Overnight in a Snug Pack Ionosphere, and the second one is titled Solo Overnight using the Backwoods Bungalow 2.0. Click on the icon at the top of the screen, or simply go to my description box. I'll provide links, click on it, and we'll take you there. Secret treasures. Why? Because I'm worth it. And that's passive fishing at its best. The fish is going to do all the work. Going to grab that line, yank on it, and set the hook down its mouth or down its throat. Easy peasy. Once again, it's lemon squeezy. Now check it out. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5. 5 lines in the water. Some are tied to the tree trunk, some are tied to roots, and some are tied to limbs, making it an official limb line. But in the end, they're all going to do the same thing. So we'll check these later on. Worst case, we'll check them again in the morning.
How you doing so far?
A little bit wet, but we're good to go.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking we get this done, get a bird's nest going here, and then try and knock out a bow drill.
Sweet.
One last time. Slow down again. Look down. Good. Keep it going. Keep going. You're gonna get it. Keep going. Look down. A little faster. You're slowing down. Keep going. Faster. Keep it going. Push down. Keep going. Faster, 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 faster. Keep that spindle locked. Keep going. And stop. Let's pull the spindle out. Rotate the board forward and tap them free. Okay, careful. Let's go ahead and pause one last time. If you like what you see here, please do me that favor. Hit that like and subscribe button, then ring that notification bell. Then feel free to check out my other skills and overnight videos. Yep. Nice. Look at that.
I still have to sneeze.
Hurry.
Come on.
Now, this rain's not going to stop anytime soon. Forecast says rain all night. So I could try and build some type of tarp or a configuration over top of the fire, but I don't care. The important thing was he did a bow drill, second time by himself, and second time in the rain. So, outstanding job once again, but I expect nothing less. Why? It's my boy. Come here. Love it, dude.
Love it too.
Did an outstanding job. All right, so I'm thinking chow time, and I don't want to mess around with that fire. It can burn out. Like I said, it's going to rain all night. What are we talking about here? I'm thinking double bacon grilled cheese sandwiches. Bacon, of course.
Huh.
Maybe Canadian bacon. Double, triple layer of cheese. Probably double because I'll eat the third layer. That'd be perfect for this wet weather we have right here. What do you think?
Yeah.
Outstanding. That's what I'm talking about. That's a grilled cheese sandwich right there. Bacon, layers of cheese, ham seared in bacon grease. Outstanding. Oh man. This is crazy good. Dude. Wow.
Wow. That's good.
It's good, huh? Yeah, it is.
Wow.
Here's what I'm thinking. We're going to finish this. Drop this flap down. And then head over to that lake and check our lines.
Yeah.
We got 5 lines in the water right now. They've been sitting out there for probably about 8 to 10 hours. And we can check them. Worst case, we'll check again in the morning. You know, and as the saying goes, it's why I call it fishing, not catching. But we're going to finish this and we'll check it out.
Yeah.
All right, so we checked all of our lines and nothing, zip. So it's raining pretty bad right now. So all I can do right now is just head back to our tent and hunker down for the night. Maybe tomorrow morning we'll come back out here and check them. That's why it's called fishing, not catching. So here we are once again inside the Snug Pack ionosphere, and it's dumping rain. It's been pouring rain since 7:30, and right now it's almost 11 o'clock, or 2300. And it's going to rain for another 12 hours. Right now I'm bone dry. The only water inside here is the water right over here where I actually opened up this tent. Other than that, like I said, it's bone dry. So only time will tell, but I'm pretty confident that I'll be good to go. So got enough room in here, nice and snug though. I can move around, lay on my side, and it's all good in the hood. So no night talk tonight. Tomorrow's plan is get up, check those lines, then come back, get coffee, and do our morning talk. Hopefully we got a fish. If not, we're going to pack up and head out to another spot. So I'm looking forward to it. Rough night last night, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Dumped for about 10 hours. Well, here we are back at the water's edge. We're gonna walk over here and check our 5 lines that are in the water. Hopefully we got something. If not, we'll head back and go from there.
Nothing.
And there you have it. Skunked. You win some and you lose some, but the important thing is I got to spend time with my boy. So let's go ahead and head back. Yeah, outstanding as usual. Okay, so we didn't do our night talk last night. It dumped rain from 7:30 until about 5:30 this morning when we got up. And I mean, you see everything's wet and the ground's just soup over here. But, you know, good thing is the Snug Pack and the Backwoods Bungalow by One Tigress, we're dry. I mean, there's no water in here at all. I mean, the mat that he slept on and mine are good to go. I mentioned last night, these tents get a bad rap. And here's my take on it. Quality control. No matter what you buy, no matter what country it's from, people say, well, it's made in the USA. Right, but no matter where you go, you're gonna get those 1 or 2 or that certain percentage just gonna slip through the cracks. Either due to operator error or lack of quality control or some type of failure in the system. So overall though, how was your sleep?
It was good.
Nice. Mine too. I said it rained. The rain was actually refreshing and soothing. So it's always a good time to come out here in the woods. Now let's talk about what occurred. I tried to get catfish. More importantly, I wanted to get him a catfish. We know the system does work with using limb lines because I have a video showing that on the water's edge. But I apologize for that.
It's all right.
You win some, you lose some, like I said. The important takeaway is, 1, you now know how to secure your bait to a hook, either a treble hook or a circle hook. And for me, the important takeaway is, once again, I got a video and I got dirt time with my son. The only important topic I want to talk about, and I mentioned in the past couple of videos, was my Amazon influencer page and my Self-Reliance Outfitters influencer page. Both of those links can be found inside my description box. There's no website you can go to. There's no fake store on Amazon. If you want to get the gear that I use and I trust, go to the description box and click those links, and it will take you right to them. And the last thing I'm looking at right now is I've been talking to a couple people, and we're looking at maybe going on WordPress and getting a website put together. And it's gonna be kind of cool because all my links will be there, where I'm at, where I'm training, who I'm training with. Videos will also be there with a little blog section, so you can talk about the videos, you can share the videos, and more importantly, Google search as well as YouTube can pick up that website and circulate it. So I think it's something pretty cool. I mean, to look forward to. Hopefully the next few weeks I'll have that done, and once I have it done, I'll post that link as well. Anything you want to add?
No.
Well, off to bigger and better things. Ready?
Yeah.
Welcome back. Last night camping in the rain with my son was outstanding. It's always good to get out here where you're uncomfortable, practice those skills, hone those skills, and eventually own those skills. And that's what it's all about. And that's the path that he's on right now. And I couldn't be prouder. I look at him and I'm like, wow, he's doing a great job. And like I said before, several times, I love him more than my own life. And I couldn't be prouder. Now, as always, all the gear in my videos can be found in two places. One, my Amazon influencer page, and two, my Self-Reliance Outfitters influencer page. Both those links can be found inside my description box. Now, please do me that favor. Hit that like and subscribe button, then ring that notification bell. Once you ring that bell, please select all notifications. And as always, thank you for your comments, views, and support. Thanks for watching. Get out in the field, have some fun. I'm going to catch you next time.